Hello everyone, Jackie Ding here. I'm here at Spage Sport, our aero partner. Very last minute, I know, but we're desperately, really pushing flat out to try and get all of the aero pieces ready and made. You can see the wing in the background. That's not my splitter, that's a little big, but that's my wing. We do have a few more parts. A lot of cutting is going on in the background, but we're pushing really, really hard to try and get everything ready. And can't wait to be able to show you with this, all the aero and all the proper stuff on the car. This may not seem like a big shot, but Spage is one of the best guys in the time attack world to build these aero bits, and we fully trust his ability, and are really happy to have him as a partner. He'll be helping us create a lot of PhD Racing spec Spage Sport aero parts for the Supra, and it'll be super exciting. Can't wait to show you guys.
Don't even do quarters, they do eights. Okay.
Oh.
Looks good. Then we'll get our diffusers cut into place here, bond it in, and that's it.
This is good. Thank you. Ooh. So right now just sucking it all out. Is the resin gonna go in later?
Yeah, the resin will go in.
Okay.
So we have the inlet and then the outlet all around, so it'll
so
go
just
in and
spread
then fully
it.
disperse, yeah.
Oh, you can see the liquid go. Yeah, you can see where it's seeping in there. I like that. Tell me this isn't freaking perfection. Alex is going back in to clean up the wing, and he's brought out this, our new splitter for the Supra. This is the underside, and you can see there are these two pairs of huge tunnels. Basically what they do is create, a suction underneath the car, underneath the splitter. This is just like a normal diffuser at the back of the car, except it is a splitter diffuser. It's not a very big profile, because when you have a very big profile, very aggressive, oftentimes it can mean the air is actually not attaching to it, versus sometimes like this, a more gradual, more nicer, more smooth flowing profile can really help the air stay attached. And that's why you don't see it like a lot of aggressive lines on arrows tend to just mean it doesn't work. This is what I love about Spage. It's a lot of functionality, and functionality is what we need the most for this Supra project. Still needs a clear coat for the wing, but wow, Alex, wow. Love it. Final prep right before the clear coat.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so good. Looks so good.
I know, unfortunately this stuff dries up.
Oh, okay, great. Applying clear coat. Applying clear coat. Hope it's quick. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh.
What is he doing? Yeah, I don't think you'll ever get him agreeing on that one. But there's one thing is a fact, and those hands.
Holy shit! Yep, we're trimming it and we're throwing it on. Well, there's the other side.
Yeah, there's the bottom half of it.
There's the bottom half. And then there's a splitter, there's a lip, and then there's a wing.
Oh.
But holy shit! Oh my god.
I believe this will be the first full carbon hood for the Supra.
First full carbon
in
hood for the
existence.
Supra.
Full carbon meaning all of the layers carbon, and then inside and outside and inner skins.
And not,
No, yeah. No other materials.
No other materials.
Yeah.
Carbon, and
Carbon and resin. That's
carbon
it.
and resin, not carbon, resin, and like this thick of fiberglass.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's not. The less we said about that, the better.
Yeah. Well, let's just not talk about that.
I'll just pop a picture up real quick now.
Perfect.
Please be the last piece.
Please.
Just look at this. And the center split is not only perfect, it's like dead freaking center. And the back piece is just intricate as hell. We're gonna trim out some of these, trim out this area and that area probably to make room for the vent. But wow. Wow. That's a very big wow. I love this so much. No more fake vent also. And I think this just looks so much cleaner. It really just looks so much cleaner than an unfunctional, stupid piece of plastic vent. The two layers of hood are trimmed and cut. And they fit perfectly. Absolutely perfectly. We're gonna bond them in a little bit, but first you gotta drill some holes for the hood latch and where the kind of the hood pivot thingy that. But the best news is that the hood vents are beautiful and they work. This is now actual vents. We've made actual vents on the Supra without using stupid fake vents. We've fixed the Supra.
We fixed it.
We have fixed the Supra.
It's now become a Toyota.
Not okay. That's going a bit far. Oh. Oh wow. Yep. Okay. Now we just have to let it sit, right?
I just let it sit.
Okay. How long? Like 2 hours?
Yeah, something like that. 2 hours.
Okay. So if you see here, it's predominantly a plastic, very hard plastic trunk. But underneath here, there is a layer of white fiberglass, and it's pretty decent quality fiberglass, I suppose. But where this feet kind of sits, right above it, is absolutely nothing. It's empty. So basically, all the load that goes to this trunk is collected in this fiberglass, and kind of this little foot sends it to this piece down here into the rear quarter panel. We're gonna, because our wing is actually goddamn massive, we're gonna do something a little more custom, metal bar, and also to resist the rotation, the drag factor from tearing through the trunk. We're gonna do something up there. Yeah, I kind of didn't want to mount it right on the edge, because as you guys know, on the S2000, same thing happened. The edge mount basically doesn't work. So let's get the wing on and see how much deflection there is.
Yeah, exactly. That's what my main goal is right now.
Freaking sick! I'm so happy. Oh my god. The end plates are huge. For performance benefits, correct?
Yes, exactly. It just separates the pressure from under the wing that has low pressure to the other side of the end plate, which is ambient pressure. So when you create that separation zone, you actually make it more effective inside of the end plate.
Ah, is this stable enough for like us to go crazy with?
I think so.
Okay. Well,
give it the test.
you hold the camera and I'll find
Alright.
out. I'm actually I feel the quarter panel bending actually.
Good thing that doesn't make downforce.
We've not tested this, so if I go fucking katink and then head hits the garage door, it'll be very funny. And I am quite gingerly getting on this, but it's fine. Like,
Do a little bit of shaking.
wiggity wiggity. Can you see where the deflection is coming from?
It's just the compression on the
On the trunk at this
on the trunk. Yeah.
Side shakety shakety.
Side shake is very good.
Whoa, is that suspension or? Or still trunk?
That's a bit of both.
That'd be very important. Oh! Thank you, Spage. We've done it! Yes! Woo! Got it. Car's been coming along nicely. Lip is on, wing is on. We've been busy working on, well, when I say we, I mean Alex. I took a nap. We slotted part of the bumper, have a chassis mount rail on. That's gonna bolt on that way, and that L bracket is gonna go onto our splitter. Looks all well and good, very swell. Just underneath the lip, so it'll be able to support the lip a little bit as well. Now that we have that set up, we don't have access to get to it. So, you know, we can't really reach our hand in there, and the bumper really doesn't come off easily at all. So, we're gonna use the brave idea of using riv nuts to mount a splitter. We're gonna use 5 of them all in a row here, on each side. Hopefully, that would be good. Yeah, that's all we have right now. We don't really have any other hardware and stuff we can particularly be able to acquire and use quickly or disassemble a car with. We just don't have the time. So, because look, it's 8:14 Monday morning. We're supposed to be out of here last night.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. But we still don't have a hoodie yet. Okay, well, progress as usual. Is it heavy?
We go.
Wow. You make it look easy.
It is easy.
Nice. Great. This can go. Putting that on.
What?
This can go. We're putting that on.
Yes.
Lovely.
I have earplugs in. I can't hear, so I'm probably
I know.
screaming.
It's okay.
What? If it is 17 though, then I'm going home. I heard Tim Hortons is hiring, so.
Well, they might pay more on an hour basis.
Yeah, probably. What'd you say?
12.
17?
You said 13.
I said 13.
Yeah, here we go.
I'm probably gonna fall.
Please. It's 15.
18-1. I'm getting my resume ready.
Let's be honest. 18
I was just
pounds.
thinking of the size and how much you have to bond and the brackets and everything.
Yeah.
The thing is, this is the very first one, and you always need one to figure out like where you can cut weight and stuff. Like this is definitely way more rigid than it needs to be.
Okay, good.
So we can probably cut out like 4 pounds.
Sweet. Next revision.
But
Yeah.
prototype's always, you know, unexpected. So
Dude, I don't care. It looks awesome. The vents work,
Vince,
and that's about 20 pounds
All right,
saving.
let's get it on here.
So very much saving weight by taking one of these thingies out, because otherwise we can't really close it.
Yeah, we couldn't actually.
Come on. Yo.
Oh,
You are
what?
joking! You are joking!
What?
We can adjust that, but like...
Yeah, that's awesome.
That fits as well as an OE does, because you know the OUM one always has that gap on
The
the
gap
edge.
there, yeah.
My god! Don't worry, this is all dusty, we can clean that. But more importantly, where does a vent?
It vents everything that you want.
Basically. The first vent begins kind of right above.
The cooling plate.
Yep. But the
So anything
one,
over that is.
second one basically pulls straight from the radiator and everything.
Yes.
And this is kind of the turbo side, so yeah, I like it. It might be snowing like crazy out here, but it isn't snowing in our hearts because that is insane. That is actually ridiculous. Massive 5-inch splitter from the OE lip. Our new Spage Sport carbon lip. Dry carbon hood that saved about what, 20 pounds?
Save 20 pounds of that.
20 pounds and vented. Rear GT wing. Swan neck. Single element. Trunk mount. Just look at it. I'm lost for words. I'm actually lost for words. Everybody goes to SEMA and says, well, they all look the same. This is different. Because this wasn't meant to just sit there. This is meant to go destroy lap times. Ah. I can't find a single bad angle about it. It's ridiculously good. Wow, I love it.
I love it too. I don't know what to say. This thing is
me neither.
perfect.
Whoa.
It makes it okay standing in the freezing snow.
I know. I don't even feel cold right now, and I just feel this immense warmth. Oh, thank you. You deserve a thank you, Mike. All right, I'm gonna do a burnout. Can't you tell this is my first burnout? Can't burn out in the snow. I learned that. Okay, let's go. California next.
California, here we come.